To clean the wire drive unit, we identify the spring system that sits within here. So it's two rollers rolling against each other, and to access this we loosen this bolt. This is a spring-loaded bolt. We can take it all the way out, but we don't need to. We can just do like this. And make sure that you have the right bolts length. If the bolt is still sitting here, we can pull it out. And we can slide this piece out to see the rollers. It will look dirty, but it's okay as long as you don't have big grains in there. So there you see the wire inside, and it looks good. And we assemble it again, and we see that the spring is intact. And we slide this one in there. So we put the bolts in again. And we'll make sure to tighten them all, not very tight, approximately 10 Newton meter. There you go. We're ready. You can close the cabinet.